Okay, we have a Toshiba BTD 11ER16, new in 1994. Machine has a 55 by 63 inch rotary table. He's bringing it around right now. The machine has also a 4.3 inch spindle with Cat 50. You have a 48 TC tool capacity. You have telescopic weight covers on the X and Y axis of X and Y axis of the table, Z axis of the table, and on the Y axis of the vertical. Right now he's running the spindle. He's bringing up the Y. You have .59 of Y, 57 of Z, and 78.7 of X, 19.7 of quill, W. That's your X axis, nice and quiet. It's your Z. You heard the V before in the beginning. That's your W axis. Again, that's 19.7. That's your Y. That's your spindle. Are you in the high range? For shifting. Now we're in the low range. Machine is quiet in both ranges. You have up to 2,500 RPM. Okay, that's your pendant, simple pendant, and that's your control, which is a Tasna 777. Again, it's a BTD 11ER16, and the machine is new in 1994. Hey, thank you for watching the video.